Hi, good day recruiters. My name is Jobel Sasig de la Cruz and I prefer to be called as Jobs and currently residing here in General Trias, Cavite. Just a short background about me. I've been in the BPO industry for the last 12 years. My very first BPO company was Saitel, which is now Found Ever, as a customer service associate and ended my term there for 7 years as a team leader. I've handled a sales account. We do outbound sales for prospect client with regards to their office needs. We do provide office supplies from simple papers to office machineries. After Found Ever, I transferred and looked for a greener pasture. I was hired and employed by American Express for 2 years from 2022 to 2024 as a fraud and dispute specialist. I handled commercial credit cards. So I've handled a lot of irate customers with American Express. With the LOB I'm handling, we also have upselling, cross-selling, and offering new products to our clients. After American Express, I transferred to Conifer Health Solution as a healthcare service representative. I'm in the revenue earning LOB of the company. I do insurance verification, insurance authorization, and estimation of cost of patients in the United States, specifically in the state of Nebraska. The reason why I left my recent employer is because I residing here now in General Trias, Cavite, and I found it tedious to travel back and forth to BGC every single day. So I braved myself out of the situation and decided to look for a company which offers a work from home setup or a hybrid position. What does excellent customer service means to me? For me, with my expertise for the last 12 years in the BPO industry, excellent customer service, it doesn't just start with greeting the customer from the time the phone initially rang, and it doesn't really end after you say or provide your 16. Excellent customer service for me is identifying the unstated needs of the customer or of the client and providing realistic resolution towards their problem. For me, excellent customer service is more of sympathizing to the customer and more of hearing their sides rather than us speaking a lot of the time. I believe that we should give 80:20 ratio in terms of handling customers, because I believe that customers should speak more than customer service professionals.